FooDooloo crew, welcome back to another exciting food adventure. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of ramen, exploring the diverse and delicious regional varieties that make up the ramen revolution in Japan. Get ready to slurp your way through a flavorful journey. Ramen transcends its simple appearance as a bowl of noodles to become a revered culinary art form in Japan. Across the country, each region boasts its distinct interpretation of this beloved dish, showcasing a rich diversity in flavors, textures, and techniques. The heart of ramen lies in its broth, which can range from rich and creamy tonkotsu to light and clear shoyu or shio broths, reflecting regional preferences and local ingredients. The noodles themselves also vary from thin and delicate to thick and chewy, adding another layer of complexity to the dish. Beyond the basics, toppings like tender slices of chashu pork, soft-boiled eggs, nori, and vegetables further contribute to the depth and character of each bowl. Ramen thus embodies a profound connection to Japanese culinary heritage, inviting diners to embark on a flavorful journey through the diverse landscapes and traditions of the country. Our first stop on this ramen revolution is Saporo, home to miso ramen. Sapporo-style ramen features a rich and hearty miso-based broth, often accompanied by thick and chewy noodles. Toppings can range from sweet corn to butter, creating a robust and comforting bowl. The bold flavors of Sapporo's miso ramen are a true winter warmer. Next up, we're heading to Tokyo for a taste of shoyu ramen, the classic soy sauce-based broth. Tokyo-style ramen is known for its clear and light broth, allowing the delicate flavors of the soy sauce to shine through. Thin and straight noodles complete the experience. Shoyu ramen is a timeless favorite with a simple yet refined taste. Now let's venture to Hokkaido in Fukuoka for tonkotsu ramen, featuring a rich and creamy pork bone broth. The noodles in this style are thin and straight, perfectly complementing the intense flavors of the broth. It's a bowl that's both hearty and satisfying. Hokkaido's tonkotsu ramen is a must-try for pork lovers. Our final destination is Kurum, also in Fukuoka, for a taste of Kurum-style ramen. What makes this unique is the use of a rich and savory broth made with a blend of soy sauce and pork fat. The noodles are medium thin with a delightful chewness. Kurum-style ramen showcases the perfect balance of umami and texture. Well, FooDooloo crew, that concludes our ramen revolution journey through the diverse regional varieties in Japan. From the bold miso ramen in Sapporo to the classic shoyu ramen in Tokyo, and the rich tonkotsu and Kurum-style ramen in Fukuoka, each bowl tells a unique story of flavor and tradition. If you enjoyed this ramen adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary explorations, and let us know in the comments which regional ramen variety you'd love to try. Until next time, happy slurping!